When my second book, Take Off Your Glasses and See, I gave the first two copies to my parents who had worn glasses since I was a small child. I'm not even sure if it was an entire year. I was living in Colorado at the time. I traveled to Miami and I stayed with them. And I noticed at a certain point, neither one of them was wearing their glasses. And they both said they stopped wearing them after reading the book. What's important about this experience, sure, it's great being able to see without glasses. But what's really important is beginning to see what is typically invisible, and noticing that we are continually receiving information. Some comes in through the senses, but those senses are much broader than anything we typically consciously experience and are much broader than are typically written about or taught. And when that new level of vision becomes activated again, everything looks the same and everything is totally different. It's the same as, if I cover one eye and I look around the room, I see where everything is, and then I cover the other eye and I see essentially the same thing again. And then I uncover the eye and everything is exactly the same, but everything is totally different. All of a sudden, there is a dimensional aspect. We call it stereopsis or depth perception. And we think depth perception is just being able to know where my cup is in relation to the monitor. But depth perception is about seeing deeply. And so that's really what my life's work is about seeing the ordinary things that can catalyze extraordinary experiences and yet are often just missed.